Hello you lovely people, Camping Dan 85 here, and thank you for clicking on my new video. Come along and see where I am this time. So yeah, we're on a slight path of the Cleveland Way, heading up to Captain Cook's Monument. I'm out with a Cumbrian Yeti Paul. He's never been this way before, so I thought I'd show him a little bit, something towards my way. Just coming up to the monument now. We ain't going to get many views. You can see over at Rosebery Topping. Slightly windy, so I don't know how much this is picking up. But yeah, we are forecast a bit of rain for about 7 tonight. So we're hoping there's going to be enough time to just chill, have a catch up, have a beer or two before we have to set up. But yeah, just come up there, Captain Cook's Monument now. So this is my setup for tonight. I'm in the Fox 2. I'm on my Gillette Hibernate 400. My cheap Tesco pillow with my fleece cover, Decathlon fleece blanket, and I've got my mattress with built-in pump, down jacket, spare clothes, doojie bobs, electrical bits. If you know, you know. Frying pan, stove and gas, and then bits and pieces in there for a bit of strand later. All set up over there. I'll show you his setup shortly. Just got the mist and wind coming in at the minute. But yeah, it's cold wind blowing right through, mist blowing in as well. But time 20 to 4. So yeah, just got the tent set up because we feel a bit of rain in the air. Oh, normally we wouldn't set up this early, but yeah, we've set up just in case the rain comes. We can dive in cover. Well, yeah, I'll bring you back. Just there, you can see where someone's had a campfire, even though there's plenty of warning signs not to have campfires around here. Not that I'm against any campfires. As you can see in my last video, I had a campfire, cooked up some scran. Like you say, scorched the surrounding area. This is Paul's setup for tonight. He's in the Terra Nova Northern Light 2. He's got the OEX Leviathan down sleeping bag, tactical duck, looking after the Stella. Relax, drink Stella, you know it makes you feel better. Chocolate brownies and a MRE curry, nice. Now this is one cracking looking tent with the walking poles for extra support, but we've set up now, so I think we're going to have another beer. So catch you shortly. I've just spent the last couple of hours sat in Paul's tent. The rain's come in quite consistent now. We've had the wind, which is picking up. I think it was forecast for about 20 mile an hour up to 30, but we're getting quite strong gusts in. I've come back to my tent. I'm going to cook up some food. Paul has invited me back to his tent later, so I might take him up on that offer. But like I say, it's 6:30, back in my tent. I'm going to cook up some food because I am a bit peckish now. For tonight I've got Cheeseburger Tacos, so I'm going to tuck into them. I'm going to get them cooked now. So yeah, stove going. Squashed my minced meat down onto a mini tortilla. I've got some burger sauce, some diced onion, some pickles, a bit of lettuce, and some cheese. So, and then all we do so yeah, just while that side's cooking, then let that little bit of minced meat cook up, turn it over. While that side's turned over, we'll add some cheese, let that melt. We'll try that. I've added my cheese and my diced onion. I'm going to fold it in half, try and crisp up the tortillas. I've got my next tortilla with my minced meat squashed down, ready to go. So this is my cheeseburger taco. Lettuce, diced onion, pickles, cheese, burger sauce. I've had these at home. I've had them out camping now. First time I've ever cooked them. And I'm not going to lie, they are pretty simple but new delicious camping meal. Obviously, got another one cooking up out there. And I think I may have done a bit too much lettuce, but I'm going to enjoy these. Right, so I've got 2 last tacos, cheeseburger tacos. I've already had 2. I did offer Paul some, but he's full from his curry, MRE curry, and his chocolate. So I'm going to enjoy these. Let's sleep back because I'm freezing. It sounds like the rain stopped, but we're getting hit by the big gusts of wind. So I think that's me for the night. So I'll see you all in the morning. Good morning, you lovely people. Yeah, it's just after 6 o'clock. I've had a good, probably 12 hours kip. I didn't go to bed at 6. I had a good 10 hours. But yeah, because obviously I need my beauty sleep. This is not working though. Got a cup of tea on the go. Yeah, we were never hit with a heavy rain, just spotting all night, but that wind was relentless all night, non-stop. Finally stopped raining, and it's the wind stopped. But just see the lights of could be Gisborough Great 8 in there. But yeah, gonna have this cup of tea. I've got no breakfast. Got some chocolate covered raisins. I'll have them. I don't think I will. Yeah, gonna have this cup of tea. Get packed up. So that's my cup of tea done. Gonna start packing up. Things near enough done on the inside of my tent. Don't know if you can see on there, but there's the monument. and the lights of Great Ayton, probably Gisborough. Might even get a bit of Teesside in. But yeah, what a camp. Spent quite a lot of time in the tent, but it was good to catch up with Paul. I've seen Paul since our Christmas camp up in the barn. But yeah, great to see him back out again. And obviously we've been planning future camps and adventures, which I'm looking forward to. But yeah, I'm going to finish getting the tent down. Right guys, that's us all packed up. That's where I was, a flat bit of grass where I've had my fat arse. Paul was there. There's our rubbish. So as always guys, remember, leave no trace. Again, thank you very much for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing. So from me, thanks for watching. For Paul, thanks for a cracking camp, mate.
Pleasure. Thanks for having us over, pal.
So again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.